Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to focus on the seed capital database for the USA. And if you're looking to raise capital for your startup, this is a great database for you to use in 2025. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a fundraising strategist with 15 years of experience in high-end real estate sales and marketing, spanning Canada, Dubai, and the Caribbean. And over the past 2 years on Fiverr, I've assisted over 300 clients with startup fundraising, pitch deck refinement, investor outreach strategies, and custom investor databases. In addition, I serve as an advisor to a New York-based private equity firm with capital commitments of $10 billion. This capital is strategically allocated to projects across the Middle East, Asia, and the USA, with a focus on income-generating real estate. The firm offers both debt and equity financing with investment sizes ranging from $10 million to $100 million per project. You can get more information by clicking my Fiverr link below. My databases include over 250,000 contacts in private equity, venture capital, angel groups, family investment offices, investment banks, and more. So this database focuses on seed funds in the USA. This database is an essential starting point for fundraising in 2025, offering detailed insights into 575 seed capital firms, including their investment focus, total funds raised, and industry specializations. With comprehensive contact information and a broad geographic reach, it empowers startups to identify the right investors and streamline their fundraising efforts. Should be noted that there are no emails included in this database, but I do have other databases for seed funds that do have emails, so this is a great database to combine with those. So really basically this is a comprehensive database I'm going to show you on the sheet coming up, but it provides the contact information, the industry focus, which is really important if you're trying to match up your startup with a venture capital firm. Has the number of investments so you can understand the volume that they've done, the funds raised, investment stage. Shows the geographic location of each firm, so that gives you a bit of an idea of who you should go after. And the firm name identifies the investment firms by name. So it's really a comprehensive database that's going to help you with your fundraising initiatives. So who can benefit from this database? Well, pretty simply, founders and entrepreneurs. It's perfect for identifying VCs that align with your industry stage and goals. You really have to be focused when you're fundraising. Do not use databases and spray out your pitch deck to them. You should not be sending your startup pitch deck, if it's a mobile app, to a startup a VC that focuses on healthcare, for example. You have to be more make more use of your time, and that way you should be combining all your efforts into a custom email that goes out to them, targeting them by saying, well, I see that you're previously invested in XYZ companies, we fit that profile, we'd be a good match. So there's all kinds of other information that I provide to help you with those initiatives. Again, you want to streamline your fundraising by targeting investors with a relevant focus areas. I've mentioned in other videos that you really should start reaching out to venture capital firms well before you need the funds. If you're in a certain sector, this is the type of database where you could probably go out and introduce yourself, say our company's just started, we're doing XYZ, and we'd like to keep touch with you along the process. It's going to be a lot easier for you to raise capital a year from now if you've already had 2 touch points with people in that venture capital firm. It's a proven formula. So this is also good for startup teams and advisors who want to access detailed investor profiles to craft strategic data-driven pitches. So let's take a look at the database. So now we're over on the database part. So just to give you a bit of an idea of how it's structured, again, this is the most advanced database of seed fund investors in startups in the USA. You can see over here on the left hand side you're going to have the firm name, and if I scroll down to the bottom, you can see we're at around 580 total. Now all these have been verified. They're all active, and they all have a previous history, and you can see here the total funds they've raised in millions. and the sectors that they look at, and in most cases how many startups they've invested in those particular sectors. So it's really going to be handy, again, if you're in the software niche. You can take a look at companies like this, and they're good targets because they've invested in 9 particular companies that are in the software side. So allows you to do more research and better target your fundraising initiatives and your pre-fundraising initiatives as well. All the websites are there. They're all active. They're all recent. And this also includes the company LinkedIn's, where you're able to get more information as well. On a territorial angle, you can see here California and New York have a little more than half of the venture capital firms, but then again, you're always able to reach out to ones that are in your local area as well. Why is this database a perfect database if you're looking to raise funds in 2025? Well, it's done all the heavy lifting for you. I recently helped a client with a pitch deck review, and what had happened is they had someone else make their pitch deck, and in my Fiverr profile, I went to their particular profile, and the person who did the pitch deck for them said, here it is, it's all done, and I've sent it out to 1,000 venture capital firms. I had mentioned to the party that it's impossible, number one, because there's only about 575 that work in seed capital, and why would you send a broken pitch deck out to somebody? So you have to watch how you conduct your fundraising. Do not let anybody send anything out until your pitch deck is 100% finished, and I also help clients with those things as well. So this is it. This is the 2025 venture capital seed fund database that will really help you get started with your fundraising. Do you need help with your fundraising? Click my Fiverr link below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.